Let's do some shopping over here at the 2020 Ford Nationals in the car corral. This Mercury 69 Merc really caught my eye. Of course, it's got the extended nose. Carlisle Yarborough special. Now remember, there were two specials along this way. Nice. I like this car. These things are beautiful. Cyclone spoiler. What was the other version? There's a Carl Yarborough and
Dan Gurney.
Gurney. That was it. The Dan Gurney.
It was blue and white.
Yeah. The two on the same running. That was great. These are running what? 429s?
Now this had 351 ones, and now some of the Ford Torinos had Talladega. Some of them had 428s.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
all the Mercury's with the long nose on it had 351 ones with 4-barrel.
Very good.
Now
Very
they
good.
made the same car with the shorted front end and a little bit different in suspension stuff with the 428s and 390s.
Yeah. That's got to take it all. Now, were they all automatics, or could you get 3-speed?
All automatic.
Very good. This is sweet. This is real sweet. Who did the restoration?
All we did was repainted. Kenny Weddle did it. He worked with Wood Brothers at the time.
Ah.
Then we carried this and it stayed up Wood Brothers about 7 years after we repainted it.
Wow. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's something. Just for the claims of the Wood Brothers is right there.
Oh yeah.
That's nice.
They only about 40 minutes from where I live, so I always pull the Wood Brothers.
Perfect. That works. That works. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
This is just beautiful. It's asking 73 on it. 73,000, not 7,300, folks. Don't get that excited. This is a beautiful car. Let's see what else we could see. On our shopping spree, we've got the 65 coupe. What a pretty little car. Fully restored on the outside. Not that well done. This always drives me crazy. Look at the overspray and such. Original 6-cylinder. Let's see what we have. Manual transmission. Manual steering. Bodywork is fair. It's a good 50-50. Guy put a lot into it. 3-speed seats, carpets, headliner, battery. Claiming all original 53,000 miles, but this thing's been painted, reworked the whole bit. I'll tell you what they're asking after I'm done. On this car, I'd say it's all right. Let's see what the other side looks like. See, stuff like this drives me crazy. Look at the way how that does not meet. They've got runs over there. Again down there. Details like this really mean quite a bit. Yeah, if you're going to drive this car every day, which this is a nice driver with a 6-cylinder, I'd say, yeah, sure, this is okay. It's all right on this side. Again, some mistakes. But asking 18. He says that's appraised at 18 via Haggerty, but, well, you can always ask. Let's see what else we could find. Check out the 76 Ford Torino Elite. This is what they really turned into. It's interesting, after the first gas crisis, V8s and big cars really started selling like mad, and this move to the luxury away from the muscle. Because the gas prices, I wish I could get the interior, it's nice. Let's see what they're asking on this girl. Looks like a good original car. And let's see what they're asking. 12,000 best offer. What do we have? We gotta catch the Mustang coming through, of course. good.